Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Dodge Charger SXT. Start by gathering supplies and jacking the car safely, then relieve pressure by running the engine briefly. Use jack stands and wheel chocks for safety. Locate the drain plug and oil filter under the car while the engine is warm but not hot. Lay out your tools and rags and double-check the oil type and capacity for the SXT model before proceeding. Begin by positioning your drain pan under the oil pan and removing the drain plug carefully. Let the oil drain until it slows to a steady drip, then reinstall the plug with the correct torque specification. Remove the old filter and check that the gasket came off with it, then lubricate the new gasket and thread it on by hand until snug. Clean any spills and prepare to refill with the proper oil amount for your SXT engine. Use a clean funnel to add the specified oil amount to the engine, then reinstall the oil cap securely. Start the engine and let it run for about a minute while watching for leaks around the filter and drain plug area. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick and top-up if needed until the level sits between the minimum and maximum marks. Reset maintenance lights if applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.